Today we are going to be making fruit oven soda. So I have weighed out here in this bowl 20 ounces of soda bread flour. I have 12 ounces of mixed fruit, and I have 2 ounces of sugar and 1 pint of buttermilk. So we are going to start here and just add the sugar in and add in our buttermilk into this, and the secret is just to mix it lightly and mix it quickly. And once we have that done, I have already the oven at 200 degrees. So we just fold this in very quickly, very gently, with as little work on it as possible. And from there it's just a matter then of putting it into the lined tins and putting it into the oven for to bake. Now it takes about an hour in the oven. At this point here I am going to put in the mixed fruit, which I have soaked. Now, and this is what your mix will look like. It's as easy as that. So here I have my lined tins. And at this point I am literally just going to use my hands to put this into the tins. It's much easier. I just take a handful and I put it into the tin as such. Now these are pound tins. This goes into the oven for 1 hour. Now I'm just going to get rid of these gloves. So this is the fruit oven sodas ready, and I'm just going to put these in the oven and they will bake for 1 hour. Now it's been 45 minutes, these have been in the oven, they are ready, but I have a fan oven, so whenever you're using a fan oven you need to remember to turn it down at least 20 degrees. As they tend to be a lot warmer than an ordinary convection oven. So we'll leave these here to cool, and once they have cooled then I'll cut into one of them and let you see what the inside's like. Now earlier whenever I was baking these I used 20 ounces of flour, which is 500 grams. I used 12 ounces of fruit, which is 300 grams. And I used 2 ounces of sugar, which is 50 grams. Now if you want, if you have a recipe and it is in pounds and ounces, which was how I was learnt to bake, multiply it by 25 and that will take it to grams for you, okay? And a pint is a pint is a pint. So you stick with your pint of buttermilk. So once these have cooled, and for tea. As they're only out of the oven, I'm going to leave them 10 minutes in the tin, and then I will remove them from the tins onto the grid here so that they can cool down further. Now I'll be back with you very shortly. And now that the fruit soda has cooled, we've removed it from the tin, removed the liner, and that's it sliced. So add a bit of butter, add your jam and enjoy.